Tail's wagging. This guy eating. I gave some food. He didn't eat the food that I gave him. Okay. And the tail's wagging. That's good. Definitely like not dehydrated anymore. It's nice and smooth. So he's getting in some fluids and he's not painful like before. But I'm very happy with that. We gotta get some water into him though. Like get him drinking. There's no water in there. Right? But he's getting better. He's getting better. Like watery, so it means no infection. So what's happening is there's a plate, right, with screws, and the skin is rubbing, and it's building up fluid to try and protect it. But as long as you keep it clean, antibiotic, meloxicam, the pain medicine, the aspirin, it's going to do okay. And why is it all swollen? No. It's an infection, right? There's bacteria from a bite or something stuck in there, like who knows? But there's bacteria, right?
Yes.
Right? So what are you gonna do?
Isolate.
Nope. No, you don't. This isn't gonna spread.
Okay.
But medicine, what are you gonna do? Well, which one?
I don't know.
No. But so I want to show you so that you can learn. In a situation like this, you're gonna have probably 4 problems. 90% of it is four problems. Skin, so ticks, mites, mange, you know what I mean? You're gonna have diarrhea. And then you're gonna have pain. Okay? And you're gonna have infection, bacteria. So we've dealt with the morning cases, took a look at the sick patients, did our rounds, and now we're going to see if we can neuter 8 to 10 dogs. So time to get cutting.
فراخ اسمها فراخ فراخ
فراخ. Okay.
اوكي
number 3. Couple more to go. Done number 5. So this guy actually has 4 testicles. 2 little ones in here, a big one here, and a big one here. I have never seen this before. Only in Egypt. So we've got a cryptorchid surgery where the testicles are not in the scrotum. They're actually up in sort of the tissue around the abdomen. But they're all scarred and twisted and the anatomy's weird. So I gotta kind of figure it out as I go along. They're normal, but they're small. Because they didn't have to do much because there's other ones to do work too, right? This guy did not have 4 testicles.
6?
He had 6 testicles.
Hey, and he's number
6.
He's number 6. He is a descendant of Anubis.
The surgery really was.
He is the
6
descendant of Anubis, the dog-headed god. Pretty exciting morning here at Forever Rescue Foster in Cairo, Egypt. We took a lot of cases, looked at a lot of cases today. Some mange dogs, took a look at Pardeep, our parvo puppy as we've been calling him. He's doing great. Slowly recovering, definitely a lot stronger. A few other medical conditions that we had to look at. Definitely dealt with whiskey, the amputation. Had to add some pain medication. They weren't giving enough pain medication, as well as put in a drain and drain out some blood that was collecting. But after the pain medication, he got up and started walking around and he's eating, so it really makes a difference when you take the pain away. Other than that, a few other cases and kind of gave some lessons to the team here so they could start doing things on their own. And it was very productive, very happy with it. It was also neuter day here at Forgotten Rescue Foster in Cairo, Egypt. The plan was to do 7, 8, 9, 10 neuters maybe. First 5 went off without a hitch. The 6th one didn't have 1 pair of testicles, didn't have 2 pairs of testicles. He had 3 pairs of testicles. I've never heard of that before. I've never seen that before. And I figure that counts as 3 neuters, so in the end I did 8. And yeah, it was quite a learning experience, that's for sure. Yeah, thanks for watching.